Think I look crazy, fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it.
Whoa, that was really close. But hi YouTube, I'm finally recording using my Anastasia Ebony Dip Brow. And a look for like daytime slash nighttime. So yeah, with your brows, you don't want to draw all the way over. Be in a relationship sometimes. Y'all better take advantage of that. Being by yourself is a great time to find yourself. Go to paint classes, art classes, do it all. So for the bottom of my brows, I'm going to be using my Milani concealer, and this is in medium beige 135. I think I went a little bit lighter than I intended to, but where I went, I think I got it from Target, and they didn't have where I contested, so I got this, and then I just was like, you're gonna use what you got. Use what you got to get what you want. And then for my upper brows, I do use a different concealer. I use Von by LA Pro Concealer. And I use that on top just because I wanted to look more like my skin tone. So, and yeah, I do this part with the actual tube. But then when it's actually time to lay it down, I use my flat brush. This is just a e.l.f. eyeliner brush that I got from Target. I love Target. But I just use this and go ahead and conceal my brows. I have my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I love this one a lot. Let's create and see how. And this with my M441 Morphe brush, and I'm just swirling it around, and I'm just gonna go in. There's, you see it? Yeah. The look on my finger. Ooh. Oh no, why I never used that before. That is pretty. That is really pretty. And my nails are not done, so do not come for me if I did not send for you. I'm on a nail break, and the process is killing me, but I'm saving a lot of money, so. And I like using I have my blending eye brush by e.l.f. And I'm just gonna, let's take Mocha. Obsessed Creamsicle. Yeah, I was not gonna leave y'all hanging. And then let's do, we're just gonna put it right here. And just to define the Wet n Wild and do my wing, and I cannot talk when I do this, so I'll be right here. There we go. Just smooth it out. Just smooth it out. What? We smooth it out. Okay. Gonna smooth it out. What? Gonna sidetrack when y'all do looks, or is that just me? Comment below. Okay. L'Oreal True Match in Cream Cafe. Now, with my Real Technique brush. I gotta wash my brushes because I have a client coming over. Face, I did some Pond's for dry skin moisturizer. I don't have dry skin. I actually have oily skin. That's why I love the Fenty matte foundation, is because it controls my oil. Now, I'm just gonna go in and finish up blending this. And I only do a couple of swipes of this. And normally I have been put my LA Pro Girl concealer on it. And I do not conceal my forehead because I have a big forehead. So I don't want attention going there. So then I'm going to go in with same Milani concealer, but with warm chestnut. And I just use that to do my contour. Not a deep contour, just a little bit.
Okay. Her nose got smaller. Okay. Like, okay. Face snatch. Like, I want you to see that, but I don't want you to be like, oh my God, she looks like she has on a ton of makeup. Because I don't like looking like that.
And this is my beauty blender that I actually got from Fenty. Like highlighted with the middle of my face. I don't want you to go Revolution powder, Luxury baking powder, and I'm gonna bake. So I'm not baking that long. Actually, I'm leaving my nose up there. And as you can see, I'm just putting that on the under eye to set my eye. I'm watching right now Z Nation. It's a zombie movie. It's really cool. And this is the same brush that I use to do my little crease. That blending brush, Elf. I'm using that to blend out my little nose contour. I was about to say nose job. I didn't get a nose job, but and then I just bring it up to my what is it called? Eyebrow. This it's eyebrow. So yeah, take this. Didn't mean to put it on my ear. All right, Jackie. You looking like somebody now, baby. All right, girl. Ooh, spray my face, and I'm gonna spray my face before I do my highlight and my lashes because I just don't like getting that wet. So this I actually got from my sister. Shout out to you, Bianca. And it's just eyelashes is popping. Be careful with that. It just makes, like, look at this eye compared to this eye. It just, my Fenty, my go-to. Like, I really, really, really don't know what I would do without Hustler Baby. Because I highlight. That's another thing that makes my look come together. So I go there, I stop, do not go all the way down, and then go there. So go there, anything, and I just dark chocolate liner, and I'm not gonna say. L'Oreal Paris Ever Bloom. Never used it before, but I like it. It was cute. So, oh, here is the finished look. I like it. I like how it turned out. Is very cute, subtle, not doing too much, but still cute, still popping. You could wear this in the daytime to me or the nighttime. I'll wear this actually going somewhere because it's actually really, really pretty. So I hope y'all enjoyed my tutorial. Click the subscribe button if you have not did so already. And let me do my wig and then show y'all how I really do it. Okay? Okay. Hey you guys, I'm back. I love how this look came out. You can actually do it in the day or the nighttime look. I think you can pull it off for both. Let me know what y'all think below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be dropping more content, more makeup tutorials, DIY projects, fashion, hair, all of it. So stay tuned.